So we are here at our property that we're buying in Norwood. So here's the block. A lot of single family, multifamily on this block. This is the subject property. There's a 1-bedroom bungalow in the back, and this is currently a duplex, which will be adding a 3rd unit on that 3rd floor up there. All the windows and siding have been recently done on the exterior. As well as some roofing. This is the 1-bedroom bungalow, detached. Kind of like a little rancher almost. Single floor. Here's the back of the property. And then this side. We'll go around the exterior of the bungalow. All new siding, windows, capping. There you go. Now we'll be doing the stucco repair around the side. Any necessary capping that needs to be done. The adjacent property, multifamily, as well as the other adjacent property is a multifamily building. So this is studded out completely. Plumbing is already ran. This will be the bathroom. You have your panel over here, HVAC, which we'll be actually converting it to ductless mini splits, electric. This is your kitchen in here, or your bedroom, one or the other. There is plumbing ran right there. And then this would be your living room area. That's that. Insulating, all new electric, new drywall, new plumbing, new AC, heating and air conditioning, new floors, kitchen, bathroom, everything, the whole thing. Pretty much new construction. And I want to take you down into the basement real quick to get that out of the way. So, the basement is not accessible from the units themselves, but all newer framing, insulated. Right. Here is the access for the plumbing and everything. Currently has one HVAC unit for one of the units, which will be swapped out with brand new. Four units for each of the units. 4 hot water heaters for each of the units. All new plumbing. Here's the basement. We'll do some parging in here, resurfacing the walls, adding 4 gas meters for separate gas. Here's 3 panels right here. They have it as a triplex right now, but it's zoned as 4 family. So we'll be trying to convert it into a 4 family building. So that's it for down here. Just walking through one more time. Who? Me, yes. Marked off concrete that needs to be replaced. Both driveways are shared. Well, this one is ours and this one is shared. Here's the front of the building. We'll need to do siding up there at the top where it's still stucco. Finish capping all the windows. replacing these pillars on the bottom. Here's the common area when you first walk in. Previous owner already did the majority of the electric and drywall. Here's the first unit, which is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. You can see no boxes, no electric. This is bedroom 1 right here. Bedroom 2. This is your living room out here. This place right here. And this is your kitchen. Right here. Slider, walk out, building a deck off back. And this will be your bathroom right here. Kitchen. All right. Now it'll be all new HVAC in every unit, all new plumbing in every single unit, and the electric is all new already. And this will go up to the second unit. So this is set up as your kitchen. You already have the drain here, but we'll be redoing that anyway. So we can put it here, we can change it, doesn't really matter. Bathroom 1, full gut, redo. This will be either a bedroom or a little living room, or that could be the kitchen. Here's another room. All right. And that was where the kitchen is. All right. You walk through here. Now the third unit is up there. So what we'll be doing is we'll be making a hallway right here to come into there and go up. The third unit. Third unit. This will most likely be the kitchen in here, or the kitchen and bathroom in here. And this will be split up into 2 smaller rooms. And this will be your little living room. Here's this unit. And what's great is that all the electrics are already done. It just needs to be tied in to the panels. All the insulation is done. All the drywall is done. So to run plumbing and the HVAC, all we'll have to do is unscrew the drywall pieces where we need to run everything, and then just put it back. And if they do require a fire escape, since this is 3 stories up, we'll either be going out the back here, and then coming down, or right here, out the side. Here's another view of the adjacent property. So that is all. This is 217 Garfield Ave in Norwood. We are purchasing this property for $75,100. And our estimated renovations are $125,000. Thank you. This is Jake with Penny Capital Management. Enjoy the rest of your day.